Hey guys, JS Real Fan 2001. Today in this video, we're waiting for my tripod camera photographs trains. Since I wait because of hot weather in California. First, I've gone on hot weather in the month is June of a summer. Let's look at this tripod. They have switches we have. I bought from Christmas last year. These ones they have raised up tall. Under these, they have these switches we have here. They raise up tall. I never know it. And here, I don't know what it was. I remember this tripod before and after. That's remind me of thermometer. Has color green. And they have 3 stands. 3 mini stands. I know it because it passed in Fresno, California, American Avenue. The train don't come again. Only I wait for the train to take photographs. And I almost forgot. The second part of activity photographs is church bells. Church bells. Like the SHRINE of St Therese in Fresno, California. That's my 3 godfathers in church. They worked there. That tripod looks amazing and fun. By upload videos of YouTube. And this is switch on top on the up there. And this and the whole thing, I don't remember that. So I wait for it because of hot weather. Because unfortunately, but sometimes real fanners go out because the hot weather it has a little bit hot by April and May of the months. Only that starts in the summer is June or July. Since I like it. I know it. Since I go to Pixley, California, right over there, we just went. Or Early Mart, California. I never know it. Early Mart, California, I went over there. It's Avenue 72. This river crossing. Early Mart is Tulare County, I guess. Or Bakersfield. That tripod I take pictures, photo with. Since I like it. Once again, if you want to subscribe my video. And one more thing. I'll see you in October 2024, 26th, Saturday. In Antioch, California, Vira Avenue. Well, subscribe now.